Alright, so we're going to make a buffalo chicken dip, and you'll need some chicken breast. You can use fresh cooked chicken breast. You'll just need to chop it up. We're going to use chicken breast out of the can. You need some cream cheese, blue cheese, ranch, a hot sauce or buffalo wing sauce of your choice, and some Colby Jack cheese, and we're going to make it in the Foodi. You can make this in the stove too, or in the oven. So we have our chopped chicken in there, and we have, we're going to put 2 8-ounce packages of cream cheese.
And you want to soften them, so just let them sit out for a little bit.
Alright, and we are adding a 1/2 cup of ranch and a 1/2 cup of blue cheese. So, we got that here. I'm going to pour that in. We're adding our 3/4 of a cup of hot sauce or buffalo wing sauce. And we're going to stir everything up. And we are mixing in a 1/2 cup of our Colby Jack cheese. So stir this up. Already looks delicious. It smells good. Be great for the Super Bowl tomorrow.
The big game. And it's nice that you can do it all on one pot if you're using shredded chicken, pre-shredded chicken.
So now we are going to sprinkle the other 1/2 cup of the cheese on top.
Maybe more.
Maybe more. Just gonna eyeball this, but we like cheese, so.
Enough?
Sure.
One
More. Yeah. So if you're making this in the oven, you'll probably want to put it in like an 8x8 pan, and then you can put this everything in the pan, and then put cheese on top of that, and then bake it.
Then we're gonna do bake.
Shut the lid.
Oops. At 350 or so we'll start at 15. Take a look. And we can always add to
I think a regular oven's around 30 minutes, but since this is a Foodi, it's going to be done a little quicker, I believe. We'll see. We'll check it in 15 minutes. Alright, so the time is up. It's been 15 minutes. And here we go. Ooh. Nice brown cheese. It smells delicious. So you could either take it out or just serve it out of this, or I guess transfer it to another dish and serve it.
What are you gonna eat with it?
I don't know.
Chips.
I'm gonna try tortillas with it and see if it's any good. It would probably be good with some celery, or I don't know. Looks delicious. It is hot though.
Just one thumb up?
It's delicious.
The other thumb's busy.
It's good. It was quick, easy, and cheesy.
Ah.
And make it tomorrow for the big game.
And it's one dish.
Yep.
So that's a win.
Cool. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up.
So
More videos
total,
coming soon.
Total was what? 23 minutes-ish?
Maybe.
Mixing it and everything?
Maybe.
So really quick. Thanks.
Good.
See ya.